what are the biggest roles an IT firm play into helping a business through this time? I was going to say this crisis, but just this time of transition.
What we're finding is a lot of people don't have outsourced IT. That we deal primarily with smaller to mid-sized companies. So what we find is that maybe Harry, the salesperson, is also the de facto IT person within the company, things of that sort.
The guy who knows the most about the computers is just
whoever knows the most or is willing to take the risk on, is the guy. It's really, outsourced IT is not that expensive. If you call a firm like ours, we're happy to give free advice, that type of thing, because we all realize that we're in this together and we're all human, and we also realize this is new. This is a new norm for a lot of people. So I would definitely highly recommend that if you don't have an IT person, or if you have a de facto IT person in the company, you really call a professional, have them remote in, take a look. There's really nothing that they need to be on site for, so you can mitigate your exposure that way as well. Have them remote in and take a look around and make suggestions on protocols. And now would also be a good time, if you do have an outsourced IT company, and maybe follow up and with a different company, just to double check and make sure that what they're saying is indeed correct. I also recommend that you test your IT company. If you're running backups and things of that sort, I suggest you test them to make sure that they can recover your data as well in a timely fashion, to make sure that everything that they say is in place is working in place. A lot of the times people will get complacent. They'll have this plan in place from their IT people. They're paying a monthly bill. They get support when they need it, but they don't a lot of the times understand what exactly that it is that they're paying for. So now is a great time to go through from an IT perspective and see what exactly are you paying for, what you're not paying for, what could you do to increase productivity and help your people out. You might be very surprised about how much lower you can get your bill and get more productivity out of your network.